What is good, everyone? Welcome to my channel. We have a bit of a fun unboxing today. Fun shoes for me and fun shoes for my kid. So I have to say that obviously this is for the daughter, and I say fun because she chose them. I was going through a bunch of different listings and different shoes on Nike.com and also listings on Yahoo Auction and various other places that you can get shoes in Japan. And I pointed out shoes and I was like, do you like these or do you like these? You know, this one or this one? And we narrowed it down, and I just gotta say I'm incredibly proud of her. I didn't steer her any which way. I didn't say, oh, daddy likes this one. She chose them. This is what she wanted. Voila. She chose the Air Jordan 3 black with the elephant print, the classic Jordan 3. This is what she chose. Nothing pink, nothing white and pink, nothing with, you know, some of those Air Force Ones have like flower patterns and, you know, little girl designs on them. She didn't want any of that. She wanted the Jordan 3 Retro. It is brand new, tag on. When we go out, she's gonna be more stylish than her dad, let's put it that way. I mean, that goes without saying anyways, but now she's really gonna outclass me. All right, and I have to say, you know, it's not bad quality for a kid's shoe. I mean, I wouldn't be incredibly happy with this particular leather if it were my adult shoes, but for a kid who's gonna outgrow them in like 3 months, it's gonna be pretty nice. And she's actually, this is about a half size, almost a full size too big for her, so she can wear them now and then grow into them, so she'll be able to get some good wear out of them over the next, you know, 6 to 8 months, I suppose. Depends how fast she grows. Now these are for me. Got them through the Sneakers app, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this. These are what I am going to refer to as an investment pair of shoes. And it's a pretty no-brainer, easy investment. Gray box, you know what that means. There. Pretty nice. Man, these are just cool. As you probably know from watching other videos of mine, I'm a freak for pretty much any kind of shoe that's orange. So when I saw the skeletons this year were going to be orange and black, it just had to be. And admittedly, you might be wondering, investment shoe? What's he talking about? Well, I look at it this way. I am not going to wear them anytime soon, because Halloween's over. You know, a lot of people complained about, what's Nike doing releasing these like 3-4 days before Halloween? They're not going to arrive on time. And I thought, you know what, that's just fine, because Halloween's gonna come around next year. I can keep these on ice, and if people are looking to get out and be festive post-corona, and people are wanting to get their hands on these shoes, you know, the white and the black ones resell for about $40 to $50 over the retail price. And if these in fact do that as well, I'll probably pass them on to someone. Or if they haven't gone up in price and they're just sitting there, and you know, it's a shoe that I'm absolutely down with wearing, so it's an investment in next year's Halloween. So either way I win. Let's get into the details of the shoe. Okay, handled a few Air Force Ones recently. It's got really smooth, kind of hard, that crispy leather. I love the cool Nike Air Force over the skeleton bone print on the inside there. That looks pretty dope. Like I said, orange and black, I can't get enough of this colorway. I've got, I guess this is now my 4th pair of shoes that are specifically orange and black. This glow-in-the-dark sole, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, you know, when it's not glowing in the dark, but actually I don't mind it. This kind of funky gum yellow color that it is, that's alright. I think it works because it's paired with the orange upper, so it doesn't really stand out. I kind of wish though, and maybe this just shows I don't have any taste, but I kind of wish they had done the white stitches around it in black. I think that might have been cool. Or maybe even orange, like double up on the orange. But got the black touch here. Love how the Nike Air in black just pops out on the back. They've got even the small details on the tongue. You can see that the Nike logo itself is done up to look like bones. So Nike is spelled out in crossbones, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna carefully put these back into paper. I'm not even gonna take out the other shoe. These are gonna sit on ice until a year from now, where either they're gonna end up on my feet or they're gonna end up on someone else's feet. So, how about you? Did you get a pair of these to end up on your feet? Are you hoping that you're gonna be able to resell them at some point? Let me know in the comments below. If this is something that you're into, I really like them, so this was a no-brainer cop for me. And let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, I normally do content about Japan, living in Japan, Japanese society. I put out a new video related to that every single Friday. This was a sneaker content video. These come out periodically when I get some kind of pickup or I have some sneaker related issue I want to talk about. So if you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe if you're here for the shoe content or you want to check out my Japanese content as well. I should say Japan content, it's in English, it's not in Japanese. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching this one, and I will catch you on the next video.